Guess what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown!
Finally, some good old teenage bloodshed.
Oh! Use the armbar!
Your attention, please. Boy caught in a girl's dorm.
Wanna be friends?
Is that shirt some sort of a joke?
Just because your mom don't love you doesn't
Guess what time it is? Yep, time for a beatdown!
Finally, some good old teenage bloodshed.
Oh! Use the armbar! Use the armbar!
Kick his knees in.
Oh, he's getting beat! Give him the answer! Go!
Stuff that dork-wise head up his butt. That's wicked.
Come on, him! Fight!
Ha-ha, yeah! Right in the house. Ha-ha-ha! Right in the face.
I ain't gonna forget! I'll never forget! I'll get you back in front of the whole... You're dead, new kid! Dead!
Hey, you! Break it up! That's enough of that! Break it up! Why are you not in your uniform, young man? Go change immediately!
Aw, come on.
You ever wake up on the football
We don't have a
field
bar in the dorm, just a soda machine.
You should probably
Carbonation.
Change into your uniform if you don't want to get in trouble.
Hey, you.
What's your deal?
What's going on?
Now look, violence is just an escape. Don't you see that?
Oh well, I guess I must beat you.
Do you have any idea how sad you look right now?
I always wondered what it'd be like to be...
I will beat you for that.
Nervous around boys.
Barf knocker!